Eco-Readymix is our family-owned business. It was founded in 2008 by my father, Gary Billington. He's been in the industry for circa 30 years. Eco-Readymix supply ready-mix concrete mortars and screeds to all the national house builders and construction companies across the North West and North Wales. We were introduced to Rapid at the Concrete Show in Buxton. We saw the RP 1500 mixer on display there. That was the one that we then went on to purchase, and we're still running it 7 years later. The reason that we chose to go with Rapid is because we wanted to buy British. We know it's guaranteed build quality. We've run similar pans in the past, haven't been able to withstand the wear and tear and the amount of material that we produce. One of the big advantages to using the Rapid pan mixer is the dual loading. So now we have 2 exit points from the pan, so it means that we can load quicker. We can have more trucks in and out of the plant loaded and batched faster. It's got far less need to be cleaned and maintained as much because of the washout system. The pan mixer we've been running at Ellesmere Port at the moment has already produced over 10,000 litres of material faultlessly. It's had no problems, no issues, and is working really well at our new plant at Ellesmere Port. And all in all, we're really happy with the service and product. As a business, Eco-Readymix want to be able to provide the best product to our customers using the best equipment, plant and machinery to get that. We would highly recommend the Rapid pan mixer, not only for its build quality, its consistency and reliability, the pre-sale, the aftercare sales, the technical, the install, all the support we've been given has been superb.